How does flashing protect my roof from potential leaks? Now that you've decided to get a roof replacement on your Muncie, Indiana home, you've probably done all the research into the most durable roofing material. But what about the flashing? Flashing is a critical piece of waterproof material that redirects water from vulnerable spots on your roof. It can be made from plastic, composite material, and metal. Most roofing contractors prefer metal flashing for its durability and long lifespan. There needs to be flashing installed where there is a penetration in your roof, such as a chimney, dormer, vent, or skylight. Roof valleys and edges also require this protection. Each type of perforation, valley, and edge needs a different kind of flashing. All of these areas have gaps that provide access points for water. If they are not protected, there is a significantly higher risk of leaks. Once the flashing is installed, water is easily diverted away from the vulnerable areas and into the gutters, preventing a buildup of standing water that would eventually work its way into your home. When you're ready for a roof replacement done right by a company that cares about its customers, call Clemens Home Solutions at 765-358-7535 to schedule your free estimate.